Stuck with a credit note but no idea how to actually refund the money? Learn to record a customer refund in Zoho Books in under 3 minutes. We'll open the credit note, enter refund details, choose payment mode, and save. Let's start with step 1. Open Zoho Books from your browser or app. In the left sidebar, click on the Sales module. From the Sales menu, select Credit Notes to see your list. Find and open the credit note you want to refund. Once it's open, click the Refund button at the top. In the refund form, type the amount you're refunding. Enter a reference number for your records. Add a brief description of the refund. Choose the payment mode from the drop-down. For example, select Bank Transfer if that's how you're refunding. Click Save to record the refund. You'll see a confirmation message verifying the refund was recorded successfully. And that's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.